I've been explained the Elementor basic components. You might have been a little bored, so, from now on, let me show you how to make an animated section with these components, from scratch. In general, top section have titles, images or sliders. Let's see the location page. Top section looks not so gorgeous. Let's make this section that contains an animated clouds. I have downloaded some images from pixabay.com, the site that have a lot of free images. Firstly, let me change the background image. Delete the old image. Click the Choose Image button and choose an image. I will use 3 images. The first image is a blue sky for the background. Add a section. Keep the section selected. Go to the Styles tab and click the classic icon of the background type. When the image box appears, click the Choose Image button. Let's add a cloud image, but you must make it as a PNG file, with an empty background except clouds. In the Pixabay website, you can easily find PNG files without a background. Go to the Layout tab, and change the height to min height. Specify the minimum height. Let me set it to 400 pixels. Add a section once more. Add images in the same way. I made a PNG file with a yacht, some clouds floating on the sea, and the sky is transparent. Change the height to min height. Make this image height same as overall height of section. Let me set it to 700 pixels. Select the Clouds section and go to the Advanced tab. Click the margin link to break the link. When you change the first top margin to negative, the cloud will go up. I'm going to set it to -560 pixels. Remove the titles. Raise the yacht in the same way. Around -400 pixels. In the current state, the cloud cannot be selected. Let me down the yacht and select the cloud. Select the cloud, click the Advanced tab and add a CSS class. Let me set name Ani Cloud. Add a HTML tag. It's just for CSS coding, so it doesn't matter where you add it. Add style tag in Ani Cloud class. Set the position to absolute. Set the width to 100%. Let me show you with zoom in. I added a simple animation called background scroll to this class. This background scroll animation is, let me define it right below. I made a background scroll animation using a keyframe. You can make it like me. Here the animation name background scroll should be the same as the animation name in the class above. A simple animation that shifts the background position horizontal coordinate from 0 to 1920 pixels. 100s is 100 seconds, and the animation takes 100 seconds to run once. When you change it to 10 seconds, it will be 10 times faster. If you increase it to 200 seconds, it will run for 200 seconds, so it will be slower. Let me set it to 200 seconds. Then it looks like a little peacefully floating cloud. Now that the cloud work is done, let me raise the yacht. I'm going to increase the height by 100 pixels to 800. Now we have done, a beautiful animation of floating clouds has been completed. Go to the Styles tab and click on Background Overlay. Tap the background type Classic icon. Change the color to the complete black. At the bottom you can adjust opacity. Let me set it to 0.55. The overlay function covers the film over the image. This is to improve text readability. Add title text. Go to the Styles tab. Click on the custom icon and add a font. This is what I was told you before. Let's add the Con font. Search for Con in the font family and select it. Vartifont is added in the same way. Save it. Change the title font to Cond. Set the font size to 65 pixels. Add the text editor used as the description text. Edit the content. Go to the Style tab and change the text color to white. Change the font to Varda. By adding an intersection, the description is shown in the left column. At the bottom, we add an intersection to add a button. Let's create 5 columns and add a button. Considering the button's spacing, it would be better to make it 6 columns. Let me change the font size of the description to 18 pixels. Change the button's font icon. Set the font size to 18 pixels. Button size changes to medium. Edit the button text. The second button also changes the text color and font. Change the border radius of the button to 0. You can set this according to your own taste. Change the color of the first button. Next, let's change the background color. Select the background color and change it to 0066FF. Change the border type to solid. Set the width to 2 pixels. Set the color to the same color as the button background. Click hover. Select a color when hovering. Move the lower bar to the left to make it transparent. This will make the button transparent when you hover it. The second button makes the background transparent when in normal state. Set the outline to 2 pixels. Set the color to 0066FF. Click hover and change the color to 0066FF. Let's check it out. After updating, select the yacht section. Click the shape divider. This is a function that gives a slight effect to the upper and lower borders of a section. It can be quite useful. Choose bottom. Let's set it to mountain. The lower part has changed to a wavy shape. It provides a variety of shapes such as water droplets and picture waves. The wave brush looks good in this design.